Hello friends, Jeff here from Squadron. Welcome to another warehouse walkabout. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a long-time favorite of mine, and I guess a lot of you guys share the same sentiment. Tamiya. When you think about quality, you think about Tamiya. For many years, Tamiya kept up its reputation of being a shake and bake brand, which means you can buy a Tamiya kit sight unseen and still expect the state-of-the-art tooling, a perfect fit, and even their box art is eye-catching. So let's go to aisle 13 and let's have a look at our extensive selection of Tamiya kits and accessories. Okay, voila, aisle 13. As you can see, we just received a new shipment of restock and new items from Tamiya. So excuse the mess on the ground. We just have to restock the shelves and getting the stuff out of the boxes.